So you found this video, guys, because you're searching for an Amazon promo code in 2024 that's actually worth using. I was searching for hours this morning for an Amazon coupon code, and I've managed to find a really easy method, guys, to get $100 off your next Amazon order using a simple promo code. And I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get this promo code, guys. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but it's well worth it because you can use this $100 promo code across any product on the Amazon website, and it is super simple. So you need to use a mobile phone and open up the internet browser of choice and go to the following rewards website, guys. This is awesome. www.wavyrewards.com. Very important you type it exactly like this, guys, to go to wavyrewards.com. This is a simple and easy rewards website, and it's going to provide you with tons of different rewards, including a $100 Amazon promo code. So it says receive a reward by completing tasks, and it says click the button below to see your selection of tasks and make sure you're on a mobile device. That's why I said make sure you choose a mobile. Then it says choose and complete 2 of the tasks and follow the instructions carefully. And then you can go ahead, choose and claim your desired reward. In this case, the Amazon promo code for $100. So follow these instructions, guys. Click the button. You're going to see a list of tasks, and they can be like playing free games till certain levels, to answering questions and surveys. Just make sure you follow the instructions and fully complete 2 of them. And if you do that, guys, I'm just going to skip forward. If you do that, guys, you will then see this page here where you can then go ahead and redeem whatever rewards you want. In this case, just scroll down and look for the Amazon page, and you can get a $100 Amazon promo code, and this is working site-wide across any products with no minimum spend. Obviously, you want to make sure you spend at least $100, but yeah. Click on show coupon. So if you followed all of the instructions on the Wavy Rewards site, this will be fully unlocked. Obviously, I just skipped that step, but yeah, this will be revealed, and you can then go ahead and redeem it in the Amazon basket or within your account. So go to wavyrewards.com and follow the instructions here, guys. Do just make sure you do fully complete 2 tasks following all of the instructions, and that is how you can get a Amazon promo code for $100 in 2024. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.